1. Carbon compound resistors.
Carbon resistances are the most widely used and cheapest types of composite resistances. These resistors are widely used in electronic and electrical circuits. The internal element of these resistors consists of carbon powder or graphite, like the tip of a pencil. Also, in their composition, non-conductive ceramic powder, clay, is also used to stick the carbon round.
The ratio of carbon to ceramic, conductor to insulator, indicates the amount of resistance. The higher the carbon content, the lower the resistance. Finally, this mixture is formed into a cylinder. The two ends of the resistor are connected to two cap-shaped conductive pieces with a base, which form the base of the piece. With these bases, the part can be soldered on the board. Finally, it covers the insulation and resistance coating, and then color codes are inserted on it.
Carbon resistors are used for low to medium powers. This type of resistance has a low inductance value. As such, this resistor is very suitable for high-frequency applications. But one of the weak points of carbon compound resistors is sound and instability at high temperature. For this reason, these resistors are used less in circuits that require high sensitivity and accuracy. The names of carbon composite resistors are written with the prefix Cr, for example, Cr 10 kΩ. These types of resistors are produced in the same types as E6, 20% tolerance or accuracy, E12, 10% tolerance, and E24, 5% tolerance. Their tolerance is from 0.25 watt to 0.5 watt.
To support me, subscribe to my channel. Like my videos. Press the bell button for notifications. Subscribe to my channel for new videos. Share my videos. Write me a comment. Thank you.